enjoyable. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm Jack.
Jack, you look, different today.
Different? Good different or bad different?
Good difference. Your shirt is nice.
Oh, thank you. Actually, Emma, that reminds me of something terrible that happened.
Terrible. What happened?
I tried to compliment my colleague yesterday.
That sounds nice. What's wrong with that?
I said, "Your face looks less tired today."
Jack, no.
What? I meant she looked good.
You told her she usually looks tired.
Oh no, is that why she didn't talk to me all day?
Probably yes.
I am terrible at compliments.
Well, you are lucky. Today we learn how to give compliments in English the right way.
Please save me, Emma. I need friends at work.
I will save you. But first, everyone, please subscribe to Hello English.
And like this video. Maybe share it with someone who gives bad compliments, like me.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, Emma, how do I compliment someone's appearance?
First rule, keep it positive. Only positive.
Only positive, no less tired.
Exactly. No less anything.
What should I say?
Simple phrases. You look great today.
You look great today.
See? Simple. No comparison to yesterday.
I am not saying she looked bad before.
Exactly. Another one. I love your shirt.
I love your shirt.
Or nice shoes. Or great jacket.
Nice shoes. Great jacket.
Pick one thing. Compliment that thing.
One thing, not everything.
Right. I love your shirt, your pants, your shoes, your bag, your hair is too much.
That sounds creepy.
Very creepy. One thing is perfect.
What about hair?
I like your haircut. Or your hair looks nice today.
Your hair looks nice today.
Good. But be careful with hair.
Careful? Why?
Don't say, your hair looks better than before.
Oh, same problem. I'm saying before was bad.
Yes, you are learning, Jack.
No comparisons. Got it.
Let me give you a test.
A test? Okay.
Your friend has new glasses. What do you say?
Those glasses look great on you.
Perfect.
Not, those glasses make your face look less round.
Jack, who taught you compliments?
I don't know. I'm just honest.
Honest is good, but kind is better.
Kind and honest. I will try.
Okay, let's move to work compliments.
Work compliments? Like for colleagues?
Yes, these are very important.
Why important?
Because people feel appreciated. They work better, everyone is happy.
I want everyone to be happy.
Good. So if someone does good work, what do you say?
Good job?
Yes, good job is simple and nice.
Good job. Simple.
You can add more. Great work on that project.
Great work on that project.
Or you did an amazing job with the presentation.
You did an amazing job with the presentation.
Be specific if you can.
Specific? What do you mean?
Don't just say good job, say why.
Oh, give a reason.
Yes, great work on that report. The data was very clear.
Great work on that report. The data was very clear.
Now they know exactly what they did well.
That is helpful.
Another good one. You're really good at this.
You're really good at this.
This complements their skill, not just one thing.
What about helping someone?
Oh, yes. Thank you. You're so helpful.
Thank you. You're so helpful.
Or, I really appreciate your help.
I really appreciate your help.
People love to feel appreciated.
I appreciate you, Emma.
Aw, Jack. See? That felt nice.
It did. Giving compliments feels good too.
Yes, it makes you happy too.
Emma, what if someone compliments me?
Ah, this is also important.
What do I say?
Most people say, no, it's nothing.
Yes, I do that.
That is not the best response.
It's not?
No. When you reject a compliment, You reject the person, too.
Oh, I didn't think of that.
They gave you a gift. The gift is the compliment.
And I am throwing the gift away.
Exactly. So what should you say?
I don't know. Help me.
Just say thank you.
Thank you? That's it?
That's it. Simple, warm, polite.
Thank you. Okay, I can do that.
You can add a little more. Thank you. That's so nice of you.
Thank you. That's so nice of you.
Or thank you. I appreciate that.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Or if it's about something you worked on,
Yes?
thank you. I worked hard on it.
Thank you. I worked hard on it.
This accepts the compliment and adds context.
What if I feel shy?
Still say thank you, even if you feel shy.
Just accept it.
Yes, and smile.
Thank you. With a smile.
Perfect. You can also return a compliment.
Return, like give one back?
Yes, someone says, nice shirt, you say,
Thank you. I like your shoes.
exactly. Now you both feel good.
Double happiness.
Yes, double happiness. Now, the best compliments. Personality compliments.
Personality? Like who they are?
Yes, not clothes, not hair, who they are inside.
These are deeper.
Much deeper, and people remember them forever.
Forever? Wow.
Think about it. Nice shirt, you forget in 1 hour.
True.
You are so kind, you remember for years.
That is powerful.
So what can you say?
Teach me.
You're so kind. You're really thoughtful.
You're so kind. You're really thoughtful.
You always make me laugh.
You always make me laugh.
This tells them they are important to you.
What about smart people?
You're so smart, or you always have great ideas.
You always have great ideas.
That is better than just smart.
Because it is specific.
Yes, specific is always better.
What about friends who help you?
You're such a good friend. I can always count on you.
I can always count on you.
This means they are reliable. They are always there.
Emma, you always make learning fun.
Aw, Jack, see, that was a perfect personality compliment.
I did it.
I will remember that forever.
Now we are both happy.
Okay, Jack, important section. What not to say.
Like my less tired disaster?
Yes, let me give you more examples.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Bad compliment number 1. You look good for your age.
What's wrong with that?
You are saying they are old.
Oh, I see. I am calling them old.
Yes, just say you look great.
No, for your age.
Never. Bad compliment number 2. You're smarter than you look.
That's terrible.
It means they look stupid.
That is an insult, not a compliment.
Exactly. Bad compliment number 3. I love your outfit. It's so brave.
Brave, like they are a soldier?
No, it means their outfit is strange and they are brave to wear it.
Oh no, that is mean.
Very mean. Don't say brave for clothes.
What about that dress is interesting?
Also dangerous. Interesting can mean weird.
Really? I say interesting a lot.
If you like something, say beautiful or lovely or amazing.
Not interesting.
Interesting is for ideas, not for appearance.
This is complicated.
Just remember, be positive, be clear, be kind.
Positive, clear, kind.
And no comparisons to before.
Yes, I learned that lesson.
Let's practice. I give you a situation, you give the compliments.
Okay, test me.
Your friend cooked dinner for you. It was delicious.
This is amazing. You're such a great cook.
Perfect. 2 compliments, the food and the skill.
Double happiness.
Okay, your colleague finished a big project.
Great job. You worked so hard on this. It shows.
Excellent, specific, and sincere.
I am getting good at this.
You are. Last one. Your friend is feeling sad.
Oh, this is emotional.
What do you say?
Hey, you're one of the strongest people I know. You can get through this.
Jack, that was beautiful.
Really?
That is a personality compliment from the heart.
I am not bad at compliments anymore.
You are great at compliments now.
Thank you, Emma. See, I accepted the compliment.
You did. You learned everything. Well, everyone, that is our lesson for today.
I feel like a new person, a person who gives good compliments.
Not your face looks less tired.
Haha, never again.
We have a question for everyone.
Yes, we want to know.
What is the nicest compliment you ever received?
Think about it. Someone said something nice to you. What was it?
Write it in the comments in English.
We want to read your stories.
And maybe compliment each other in the comments.
Spread the happiness.
Please subscribe to Hello English if you haven't already.
Give this video a like,
Share it with a friend.
especially friends who give bad compliments.
Be kind, Jack.
I am being kind. I am helping them.
Okay. Thank you, everyone, for watching.
Thank you for listening.
Have a wonderful day.
And go compliment someone today.
Great idea. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.